Odofo mema kwaba edeba Adom TV dwumedi atunedini empo se Nkuranhyensem eso mi ameti dwamu a me dwumedi ho chiame edin am geso ene ni tekotego na megidi se wo ho ye ene ekọ na wahwe nyina nsem ampese me no susu ho no matunedini wise words of inspiration ensem asebe enam nyansa akwa so a ehye ena me de brawe de di kano meka ne poto kasa mu na ma kire mu akan kasa mu na nkrampo kasa mu. There are two greatest tragedies in life. There are two tragedies. Enema bi wo a ewo nipa abrabo mu a echense nipa na wuo. Enema mienu we se abrabo mu a te se de wo ye tiase awuo no. Sa enema mienu we na ene de wo. First one is your ignorance of your true identity, self-worth, intrinsic values and capabilities. The di kan say unim ni pa wo yo. Men kan say wo yo oba bema nkrani anampo akani and now fragmentum. That's not your identity. And I Ganani there be. I'm talking about ignorance of your true identity, who you are. And ignorance of your self-worth, how you are worth. One will say, so ufa watch here, bomi ya, unim nebo. Let's say shemi ya, unim nebo. And pabo shemi na tere shemi unim nebo. But what does it mean unim nebo? Do you know how much you are worth? If you don't even know how much you are worth, you don't carry yourself as worthy. And until your yaw and it say wasam, so when I wouldn't say that was so buffer. Tosubium, ignorance of your value, intrinsic value. Nyoma ehunhia a ti mu a sombo. If you're not aware of nyoma a sombo a ekura wo, e ba no sunsum famu, hunamu ne adwene mu ene nyansam a ya na e chense oti ase wawuo. Enti nyoma me nsam abro so yi, se wonim oya awoyo. Se wonim se da wo sombo fa. So wonim nyoma ati wo mu hunam famu ati wonim wo mu sunsun famu ani mpo okra ne mu abeti da adwuma wonim sa nyoma we nyina no e chenti ase wo de to so mienu eye wo ya wo aniwa awani emfra ye septa frache nanso wonni anishade hunu emo abrabo. If you have eyes but you don't have vision, your life is worse. Bebe ina name you ase wo bubra abrabo wabono woni anishade hunu, there's no vision. They don't have plans. Woni hihye bia wona abrabo di akire eno ansa na pa sorry yanko yemro. A person without vision, a person without plan, a person without a target in his life is worse off somebody who is dead. What you say na empo woni anishade hunu bia ma abrabo wawade said that wo bu abrabo afa. If you don't have a vision for your life, also you have not planned, how you're going to plan your health. So we need now we need target outcomes. It is therefore important for us to become aware of our self-worth. See a trust in your junior who be say, me my brother a say. How can I improve my self-worth? Number two, empo enyoma timi mu a onyankopon de adua me so no. Kwambe so na mefa so adenadie. How am I going to assess my value and increase my capability to live a life that is extraordinary and excellent? Now, do I even have a vision for my life? When you say, I'm my brabo. And now I'm sorry, what is my vision for the day? What is my vision for the week? What's my vision for the month? And what's my vision for the year? And then that's who and I'm actually my brabo. Now what she busum way any affair that anymore. Once you have a vision, you have to set a plan. You share me first na me drew me vision no amena be mu amame. Planning is the key to greatness. So once you show abraba, oba kodi obi a wa hye na abraba achi, da bia obetwa duasu. As human beings, you need to plan where you are going, what you want to become, and how you want to become. Esa wo yan hihye efa nioma o pese wo ye ba bia pese wo duro ene kwan ya betua fa so aduru ho. You say when your target no, so you have a target for your life. Afese ne efie num se ne efie mienu se ne na so se ne aha na me de mabra bo edu wo hu me honam a se na me de be ye wo hu ma dwene mu a se na me nyansa ebedore akoduro se ofa matenka afese ne matenka me de na die ne be ye we you must set a target na wo achieve ya wabo ho abaso ye bebre ne ebu bra keke ye ware keke ye se ye tete nkwada se be vision nim ono yire hira e munye vision awade na mo ware no de ne mo ndaso hunu. What is the vision for your marriage? Nya papa ye nya mama ye nya o hwe na movie mu there be. You must have a defined vision for your relationships. You must have a defined vision for your educational programs. And you must also have a defined vision for your health. My pomod ni say na pese echo. E de na muntio e na metua my pomod be wie peyo. E nema be na me jayo me jayo be bo my pomod ni. En sembe na meka en de o na menka be bo me nkita hodie. Empo menya me som ene me ni ankrankra eni ye no e de na wo meni so pese me hunu. How do I want to be termed and called? E de na pese e de bo ma bodmi. When you have all these indicators, you have to pursue them each day as you rise up in the morning and mark yourself if you reach a point that you've achieved an outcome. Life depends on the results you create. Your life is linked to the results you are creating. If you're not creating results, it means you haven't set a vision. You don't have a plan. You don't even have a strategy. It doesn't take money to create a vision. And yes, sika and be hihye oni so de hunu. We are brantie. We babawa, we school. Me nya adwuma anye eno nya vision. Abayma ma adwuma anye eno nya vision. You must create a vision that in the next 1 year and 2 years, ha na me de mabra bo beduro. Ha na me de me kita hodie beduro. Ha na me de ma ware beduro. Obi also aware edne, you need to ware. If you have a vision for your marriage and focus on it, and plan to achieve it, definitely you arrive. Abrabo ayebo obi ani hwan nsa so na che dware. Na woni a ayebi ahwebie no, wonim nipa awoyo. Na wona abrabo esombo, na woda ade esombo adi akira nkorankore, na wonu ndaso hunu ede ma abrabo, na won hyehyeye empo wode akwan so efa so, efa kwampa so, nyansa akwan so, enya dia wope. Na me nhira. Onyame kan ho. Dia me di gya wo ne se onipa otiasha wonni vision wo chende wawuo. Onipa otiasha wonnim said ya wote no wo chende wawuo. If you are alive and you don't have a self identity, you are worse than somebody who is dead. So otiasha na wonni planner wo chende wawuo. Megini say na de watsori atran ho. Obefa vision. Obefa de asombo ama wo na wo de wonsa ne wonan nyina di akire. Onyame enka ho no no wontina. Me da Adom TV adwumayefo a wo bo ma chi do ma me dwumadi ebra wo. Oni onyame entina